Alright, so I spoke too soon in my last video because this engine gear does not work properly. So today, we're going to try and pull it apart and see if we can't figure out what's wrong with it, possibly fix it. So the issue is that it doesn't, it sticks when you try to release it. So it could be a gear. I'm not 100% sure. So these engine gears, unfortunately, are a gimmick that once they're broken, if nobody goes to the trouble of figuring out how to fix these, we're just not gonna have them anymore. So, see, that just released it right there. So something is sticking, and I'm guessing it's a gear. I don't feel like these look like the teeth don't look terrible. Where's that little... I'm not sure what that... Is that extra... Is that like flash on that? You guys see that? I don't think that's supposed to be there. Is that a defect? A factory defect? Hold up. Okay, I think I figured it out. This gear, if you can see, he's got a crack in it. I'm not sure if I can pull this out of there. I'm guessing that's the problem. I don't know if these are pressed or glued. I don't know if there's any easy way to get that out of there. All right, so I managed to get it out, and there is a crack. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but there's a crack running all the way down this gear here. And this is all molded. This is one piece. So this is the stopper that keeps it from releasing. So I can't just replace this gear. This is probably like the worst gear to break, because I'm sure the rest of these are all like fairly easy to find. I'm not sure about these. I'm gonna have to ask in the WBO and see if this is something that anybody has found a replacement for. The only option that I can think of right now is to try to glue this. So I have Mr. Cement. This is basically melts plastic together. It kind of fuses it together. I'm worried it would maybe ruin the gear, but I don't know that it really matters. That's crazy. Okay, we're just gonna, maybe if I glue it from the inside. A toothpick would probably be nice for this. I don't think I have one though. All right, so I glued it, and I am now just using these These are actually like hobby cutters, but I'm just applying pressure to this outer point that is like not super pertinent. I'm not applying a ton of pressure, I'm just closing that crack. I don't know if this is gonna hold. I don't know if this is gonna be enough to fix this, but we're gonna attempt to make this work. All right, guys, so as you can see, that gear is just cracked again. So that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna post in the WBO and see if anybody has a replacement gear for this. If there's a file for it, if anybody's found sort of like a drop-in replacement on like AliExpress or something. I imagine the gears for these are the same through all of the engine gears, just like the tip is different or whatever. I'm guessing this is the same gear, so I guess I could technically swap, but I don't really have an extra that I want to drop into this, which is unfortunate. So I'm hoping that there's some replacement gears. I think I may go in with my others and actually take some like lube and just lube the lube all of the gears on my others. I don't know that it's technically legal, but I may just take this little oil applicator and just try to reduce some of the like wear and tear on some of these gears. These are all just plastic gears, so, and there's a lot of tension, a lot of friction going on in here. So yeah, it may not be tournament legal, but I don't care. If I can help reduce some of the wear on these plastic gears, that's what I'm going to do. So I'll update you guys if I find a replacement.